In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Shopify for your dropshipping store, a crucial step for organizing your products and enhancing your customers' shopping experience. So let's get started by diving into the process of creating collections, which essentially function as your product categories, and then integrate these into your store's navigation for a seamless user journey. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the Products section, and from there, navigate to Collections. At this point, you're ready to create collections, starting by clicking on Create Collection. This is where you'll start to define your product categories. Let's say you want to start with backpacks. Enter this as your collection title. Next, you'll need to decide on the collection type. Shopify offers two options: manual and automated. Manual collections give you full control, allowing you to add products individually. On the other hand, automated collections streamline the process by automatically grouping products based on conditions you set, such as product tags or price ranges. Choose the option that suits your strategy best. Optionally, you can enhance your collection with a description and an image. Descriptions can provide more context for the customer, and an image can visually represent the collection. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save to ensure your hard work isn't lost. You can repeat this process for any other categories you wish to add. With your collections established, it's time to make them accessible to your customers by adding them to your site's navigation. To do this, go to the Online Store section and select Navigation. Decide which menu you want to edit. Typically, the main menu is best for primary categories. Click on Add Menu Item to get started. Name your menu item, for instance, backpacks, to match the collection you've just created. Now, under the Link section, select Collections and choose the corresponding collection from your list. This step is crucial because it connects your menu item to the right collection, ensuring customers land on the right page. If you want to create a more detailed structure, you can even nest menu items to create subcategories, further organizing your products. Finally, when you're done setting up your menu items, make sure to click Save Menu. This will update your store's navigation, allowing customers to easily find and browse through your categories. By following these steps, you're well on your way to having a well-organized Shopify store that's easy for customers to navigate, ultimately setting the stage for a positive shopping experience that encourages sales. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other tutorials to further enhance your Shopify store.